Hello viewers, here is the program of C++ in Visual Studio 2019. So there is a task to do that here we are going to sum of two integers that are specific. So I have already created for you a program. Here see on the screen the sum.cpp. As I click it once time, see the project is going to be open in front of you. So let's explain this program and have a good understanding about that, how to copy down and how to build and run. The first line of this program, that is the hash iostream. Hash include is the part of the source code which needs to be executed before it is compiled into an executable file. Hash include is used to add header files. iostream is used to invoke the commonly used functions like cout, cin in C++ program. iostream stands for input output stream. The next line of this program is using namespace. If you don't write this line, so the program will never be compiled easily and there will be so many errors while building this program. So it's a very special and important line. Computer needs to know the code for the cout and cin functionalities, and it needs to know which namespace they are defined. That's why these are very important. The next line is integer main function. It is used as the entry point of the program. Main function is the function from where the program will start to execute. The next line is the open parenthesis. After that you have to write the body of this program or the remaining content of this program, so we use the open parenthesis here. In this program there are two types of integer I used. One is the 66 and I stored in this value in x variable. Integer we use to define the data type because this variable contains the data type of integer. Okay, its data type is integer. In this line I select and I took another variable, that is y, and the value of y is here 99. So in third line I'm going to take these variable sum in the total variable, but here right now the total value is 0. I'll take this output of total by doing this one, the return 0, and I'll use this function. So the return will call the answer of this two variable sum. Here the cout, and I told you in my previous programs that cout is the outstream class, and this line will display, this is the total line from here to there. Sum of 66 and 99 is the total and end line. This line will display the output of two integers. See, out is the OStream class. It is used to produce output on the standard output device to display. Okay, the return last line of this program is return 0. It indicates that our program has been run successfully and be used to terminate our main function with this return statement and the close parenthesis in order to end our program. So now let's see and have a look on the run and debug this program. So for that you have to press the Control F5, or you can just pick it from here by clicking open this debug menu. Okay, so start without debugging. Let's see that what is the result. Here is the result in front of our screen, and we got the output. So I'm doing this task again. So here we go. See, the 69, 66 and 99, there is the sum is 165. Okay, viewers, so I think that you have got a clear clarification and you have understood this program easily. Now do practice at your home and like my videos and subscribe my channel in order to watch new and latest video of Visual Studio 2019, in which we are doing some programs and special features with the concept of C++ program. Thank you.